Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing something pretty interesting, for me at least. I'm going to be trying a cool toned makeup look for my skin type, which is black, no, deep brown, melanated, and yeah. So I've been watching a few Korean makeup gurus, and I noticed that sometimes they do like a cool toned makeup look and a warm toned makeup look, and I'm like, oh, interesting, because I have this skin type. As you can possibly see, I have brown skin if you hadn't noticed, and a very yellow undertone. This is my current skin shade. It's winter time, so my skin tone tends to get lighter, especially if I don't see much sun. Well, I'm from Australia, and I didn't have that problem while I was in Australia because the Australian sun is everywhere. It feels like no matter where I go, it's there. There's usually out and about. So I had a darker skin tone back home. Of the foundations I have with me here, the ones that matched me perfectly are now darker. And so anyway, why am I waffling about this? So, what do you call it? It's so unnecessary. Unnecessary information. Anyway, suffice it to say, today I will be trying out a cool toned makeup look on my warm toned skin. What do I mean by warm toned? Well, for me, a darker skinned person, I have yellow golden undertone. So I don't know if you can see, I'm very warm toned. When I'm tanner, when I'm darker, I have a more neutral tone. But because I'm a bit lighter, my golden tones are somehow standing out. So what we're gonna do today is attempt a cool tone makeup. And to help me achieve that, I'm gonna use these products. And when I say I had to like scrape and dig and figure out like what is the stuff that I do own that could be considered neutral or cool toned. And these are the things I have. So this is a ColourPop foundation. This is in the shade Deep Dark 190C. So C, what does that stand for? C stands for cool. When I bought this, I was still learning about my skin tone. So this shade, as compared to my other foundations, it has a pink undertone to it. For my concealers, I'll be using these three. So CoverGirl, NK, and NYX. These are my most neutral shades. This is the CoverGirl concealer. This is the NYX concealer. And this is the NK concealer. So I'll be mixing and matching these. For my contour, I'll be using this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 2. Pretty dark. I have here 3 palettes from ColourPop. These are the pressed powder palettes. The first one, Lyric. It's got the browns and it's cool toned to me anyway. Then you have Ballad, which is sort of like the grays and the blacks. Finally, we have Amore, which is like the cool toned mauve purples. For the blush, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm gonna go in with this blush here, super cool toned. For my lips, I'm gonna be using these 3 here. The Bullet is from Makeup Revolution in the shade Cake. This is the shade here. This liquid lipstick is from BH Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. Last but not least, I'll be using this lip gloss from ColourPop X I Love Sarai, and this is what it looks like. So that's what I'm gonna do. I found that when I talk through my videos, they usually take quite long. So I'm just gonna show how I get the look, and then at the end, I will come and say a few words. Alright, so let us transform this face and see what we come up with. See you in a bit. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And what do you guys reckon? Is a cool toned look something that I should go for more often? I really like how this turned out. I don't know what sort of vibe I'm sort of getting, but wearing this brown long-sleeved t-shirt, I don't know, I think it really goes well with the vibe of, yeah, I don't know why I haven't tried this more often. Am I gassing myself up? I really like and love how this turned out. I mean, I don't know, how do I look? Like, be honest. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I mean, if this ends up on Instagram, make sure to follow me. And if this ends up on Facebook, hello fam, hello friends. Can I, a black girl with yellow goldish undertones, pull off this very cool toned mauve purpley pinky look? I'm vibing with this makeup look. I feel like it's super pretty, giving me just simple pretty vibe. Gosh, I don't know what I'm trying to say, guys. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just trying things out here and loving it so much. Yes. Stop. I'm gonna do a warm tone look or something that I regularly do, and we'll do a face off, okay? Ready to face off with you, warm tone Zandi? So yeah, you better bring it, sis. Okay. Alright, so that was quite ridiculous, but that was fun for me. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Again, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace. 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 Look, these are so cute. All right, but